have an early Christmas present. Oh, look at this, you guys. From Fast Growing Trees. What kind of tree is in here for me? Okay. It say open immediately. Okay. Let me get busy here opening up my surprise. Okay. Can't wait. I have me a Gale apple tree from Fast Growing Trees. Okay. This is a 3 to 4 feet apple tree. Look at this. Look how big this tree is. Okay. And it came packaged real good in a plastic pot. And they said to get it out the box immediately. So I'm gonna get it here and water you down and get you ready to be placed out in Big Mama's garden and grow some apples with us, along with my other apple tree that I have already out there. Let's look on my paperwork here I got here on the shipping. I have another tree coming, a fuzzy kiwi, Hayward fuzzy kiwi, on its way. Yay! Kiwi coming. Got me a kiwi tree coming too. Okay. We're gonna be having some fruits growing here in Big Mama's garden soon. Okay. Apple tree. Welcome to your new home. Welcome to your new home. Okay. Let me get you some water from your long trip. I think Fast Growing Trees is out of South Carolina. So you came a long way, all the way to Louisiana. Okay. Thanks to my family. One of my Christmas gifts. Looking good. Yes, you are. Okay, I gave my apple tree some watering. And it's in its nice little, still in this nice little pot it came in. Welcome to your new home. Looking good, yes you are. Gale apple tree. Welcome to Big Mama's garden.